Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can connect funding pips to TradingView. So a short answer to that is you cannot directly connect a funding pips account to TradingView. So funding pips uses MT4 or MT5 as a trading platform, and TradingView only allows live trading connections with supported brokers. So funding pips is not on TradingView supported broker list, but you can still use TradingView charts to plan your traders, then execute the actual trades inside MT4 or MT5. So here is a common workaround that most prop firm traders do. So this is one, you can use TradingView for charting, then execute trades on MT4 or MT5. So first is you just have to open the TradingView, and then from there you have to analyze the charts, draw setups, mark levels, and etc. So when ready, you can enter a trade. So to do that, just go to the MT4 or MT5. From there, you open your funding pips prop firm account and then place the trade manually, or you can tap on the buy and sell, lot size, SL, or DTP. So this is the standard method for all prop firms that most commonly do. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!